Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. As you can see, I'm not feeling well. I have very bad cold and a little bit of cough, and I just made some home remedy for me. So while preparing the medicine for me, I thought of you friends and I said, why not share this recipe with you? So let's see how to prepare a simple medicine for your cold and cough. Ingredients required: I've taken 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon honey. That's it. I will keep the spoon with the cloves in it on fire. There. The clove has caught on the fire. Put off the flame. You can see the cloves have burned completely. Now I will crush them. Now you mix the ash in the honey. Fine. Mix it. And it's ready to eat. Well friends, you have seen how simple it was. I just to burn the cloves and grind them and mix them in honey. This is what I have prepared in front of you. Now I will be taking this. Good. As it is a homemade medicine, it is very safe. You can have it as many times as you want and any time of the day. Just try this and I'm sure you're going to get rid of your cold and cough immediately. And yes, do not forget to have warm water after you have had the medicine. Super. So friends, if you like today's video, do not forget to press the button like, share this video with your friends so they learn of this wonderful medicine, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.